instruction for this one and see how we can work on them, okay? Edward, go ahead and read the instruction first.
For the following exercise, use logarithm to solve.
Thank you, all right? Let's try number 15, right? So in number 15 in here, we have the following. Negative 8 times 10 raised to the p plus 7 minus 7 is equal to negative 24. Okay. So as we may notice in here, what is the base? 10. Right? Since that is the base 10, our step number 1 for this is the following, right? So this is what? Solving exponential equation by logarithms, okay, or logs. Okay. Step number 1 is this, right? You need to write it in this form: a to the b power is equal to c. Right? So we want it to be of that form, right? That the left side only has what? The base number and its exponent, and the rest should be on the other side, right? So in short, which one do you want to be left on the left side of the equation? You just want this. Right? You just want that on the left side of the equation. The rest, remove it, right? So which one do you need to remove first? The minus 7 or the times negative 8? The minus 7, right? So how do you remove the minus 7, guys? Plus 7 both sides. Very good, right? So let's do that one in here. Plus 7. So this will cancel out. Hence we got what? Negative 8 times 10 to the p plus 7 is equal to what's this? What's negative 24 plus 7? Okay, calculators, right? Hampton, what's that? Negative 24 plus 7.
Negative 17.
There we go. Again, we just want this base and that exponent, right? How do you get rid of the minus or the negative 8 multiplied to it, okay? Jonathan, how do you remove that negative 8? Here, this is times, right? What's the inverse? Huh? Very good. There we go. Right? Divide both sides by negative 8. Okay? Very good. So this will cancel out. Hence, we got what? 10 to the p plus 7 is equal to, but if it's both negatives, we can just write it as what? 17/8. Okay? So have we achieved our step number 1? Is it of that form? Yes, it is, right? Base number raised to a power is equal to whatever is left in there. In this case, just a fraction. It's fine. Okay. Well, what's next, Mr. Deal? Step number 2. Convert to log. How do we convert this one into log? Why? Because you want the p to be below. Okay? So how do you write this one in terms of its logarithm, guys? Logarithm, what's the base? 10. So it's a common log, okay? Of what? 17/8 is equal to what? P plus 7. So as you may notice, I didn't write the 10 anymore because it's a common log, right? Automatically, it's base 10. It's common log, right? Are we good? Next step. Step 3. Well, solve for the variable, right? In this case, p. You just want that p on one side of the equation, right? So you just want to get rid of that 7. Okay. What do we do? Subtract 7 on both sides. Perfect. Okay. Minus 7, minus 7. So with this, this will cancel out. Hence, we now say that p is equal to what? Log 17/8 minus 7. By the way, that's common log. Okay. Are we good, guys, with what we did? Okay. So once again, please follow these steps on solving exponential equations by log. Okay. First, you always write in this form. The base number and exponent will be on the left side of the equation. The rest will be on the other side. Okay. Convert to log. Solve for the exponent. Okay. Let's do this one with the E. Let's try number, what's this? 18, right? Let's try number 18 in here. We got the following. What's that again? Negative 5 E, what's that? 9x minus 8 power minus 8 is equal to negative 62. Okay, once again, step 1. What do you want? You just want these expression on that side. Okay, so what do you do first? Add 8 on both sides. Very good. That is correct. Plus 8. Cool. Cancel. This is what now? Negative 5 e to the 9x minus 8 is equal to, oh, what's that on your calculators, guys? Rachel?
54.
Negative 54?
Oh, yeah, sorry, negative.
No problem. There we go. Again, you just want this e to the 9x minus 8, right? What you do with a negative 5? Jeremy?
You add negative 5.
This is times, right? So what's the inverse of multiply? Divide. Very good, right? Negative 5, very good. So this will cancel out. Well, in here, the negatives will cancel out, right? Okay. So we got the following now. E to the 9x minus 8 is equal to 54/5. We good? Right? So that's that. Base number raised to exponent, the rest is on the right side of the equation, right? Okay. Now what do we do after that? Step number 2. Convert to log, right? So how do you convert this to log? Anyone?
Do we use ln?
ln, very good, right? Once again, if you see log base e, right, of what? 54/5, correct? This one is equal to 9x minus 8. And again, by definition, if you see log base e, automatic, that's ln, okay? Natural log, okay? ln 54/5 is equal to 9x minus 8. Last step is to solve for what? X. Okay, so how do you get that x only, right? Sean, what do you think?
Add 8.
Add 8 both sides, very good, that's correct, right? So plus 8. Okay, so we got the following now. 9x is equal to what's this? 8 plus ln 54/5. Okay. Again, we just want the x. Corey, what do you do? Last. Divide 9 both sides, right? So that's correct, right? Divide this by 9 and divide this by 9. So that will cancel out, hence that will be your x, right? 8 plus ln of 54/5 all over. Okay. How we good, guys?